we've done a twist for both of their attires, and basically we are aiming for the generation who wants to celebrate luxury with heritage. So we're targeting the bridal wear, and I think Terence has done a fabulous job today dancing, and this lovely lady who looks gorgeous in this and stunning in this outfit.
The jewelry is aristocratic as well as their family heirlooms that can be passed down from generations, including the pieces. Because we have jewelry passing down from generations, why not clothing? So this can also be, having a modern twist to it, and then, from generation to generation, we have something for every setup, our cultures, and of course the age groups also.
Well, I'll just speak for Vishal because I've known him for some years now, and he's also styled some of my outfits for my appearances and also on television. So it was just a natural progression when he said, would you like to walk the ramp with me? Of course. And it was an honor also to know that even Divya is walking. So we know each other. She's also been a student a long time ago. Okay.
That's not this
And a very good student, so I just thought, yeah, seems like people whom we know, and and of course it's Bombay Times Fashion Week, it's nothing less. So it's very privileged to be here, and I'm very honored to be sharing this space with Divya and walk for somebody's creation. It just feels good to be the canvas for an artist like this. So yeah, thank you. I feel suddenly I'm transferred from Mumbai to Sida. I've gone to Delhi और बड़ी शादी होती है ना, जो मतलब मल्टी करोड़ों की शादी होती है ना, जिसमें पैसे ऐसे बह रहे हैं, जिसमें मैं बहुत टाइम नाचता भी हूँ, परफॉर्म करता हूँ, एंटरटेन करता हूँ. आई फील नाउ मैं उस पोजीशन में कि मैं राजा हूँ, अब सब लोग नाचो मेरे लिए. So I feel it's like this biggest poshest Delhi weddings. Because you know how Delhi weddings are. Mumbai में इतना कोई करता नहीं है. Maharashtrians are very conservative and shy. Delhi वाले थोड़ा दिखाते हैं शूशा. So it's awesome. I feel like that. It's very royal. It's very rich. It's and why not? When you have it, you've worked hard for it. Why not flaunt it? Yeah.
Over to you, Divya.
And of course, I'm very happy to. I just got to know just before I was going on the stage. Hey, मेरी माँ का है, मेरी माँ का है.
As I said.
Then I was like, oh बाप रे, अभी तो इसको बहुत.
It's a responsibility.
The responsibility.
He has done full justice.
But thank you for
Blessings from my mother.
Yeah, thank you. I of course.
Watching
Lovely.
us all.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much. And it's a beautiful piece. And yeah, men with jewelry is something that even I have to get used to. Yeah. But yeah, I think we're just going to break norms, and this is the time to break tradition and norms, and move with tradition at the same time, break some. So yeah, to the new generation.
So hi everybody, and I'm really glad that I somehow make it to Bombay Times every year because uske bina I don't feel like I've really attended a nice fashion event where everybody looks nice and glamorous. And today it's special because here my friend Vishal and Sona, they have done a great job. I wanted to tell you that how much hard work has been put behind it, because he's been preparing for this for almost 2 months, and he's been really, really very nice with whatever I'm comfortable with. And I'm sure the bride who would want to have this would also feel the same comfort and same royalness from Vishal if he designs it for her. So I think that's important as a bride. And I've been a bride once. It was nice to be a bride again on the stage today. So it's a perfect ensemble for a bride. It's light, it's full of drama. It's nice.
Thank you so much. Lovely.